I've added something new to my shop.
The new section in my shop is called Artsystamper Basics. So far I have one whole stamp set in Artsystamper Basics. There are two images in this set. One is a fortune cookie and the other is a box of whatever you want it to be. It could be chicken nuggets, it could be donuts, it could be sweet and sour chicken, it could be General Tso's chicken, it could be anything you want it to be. This set comes very basic, no coloring, and it's $1. So I'm going to be adding several more, and I'm going to show you today what I can do with this set. Here I've layered the image over two of the papers from my new Tea Room paper pack. This is an open office, and then I printed this out onto some cardstock.
So I've inked around the edges of this image using some faded jeans distress ink. And now I'm going to use the vintage photo, and I'm going to go around the edges of my, let's call them donuts today. That's what I'm going to call them. So that's an easy peasy one, right? You just go around the edges, and then I have a little mistake piece I cut off by mistake, but that's okay. They will look just fine. Okay. So then I will connect them with some glue. I save all of my extra pieces because these are printed paper, and I think they would be wonderful for junk journaling, making little paper clips, layering them with other things. So you want to save everything you've printed because you've used ink to print these. So instead of having a big package of paper with a lot of scraps, when you use digitals, you simply have a small amount, which you could actually put into envelopes and save them according to the set, or just put them all into a bin. Now this can be layered onto a card or a scrapbook page. In a collage, you can make some really interesting little ephemera or card elements.
Now here I am just showing you how I used dimensionals to attach this to a card base. But you'll notice there was some ink around the image before I attached it to the paper. And that is because when I was videotaping, I somehow messed up and deleted part, or actually didn't turn on my camera. So here I'm showing you how I did that missing part. As you can see, I have a mask that's saved from when I cut out the little chicken nuggets, or whatever you want to call them. So before I attached the blue box, I used the faded jeans and the vintage photo to ink around the edge of the mask. And then I attached the blue box. I also used it to add some brown around the nuggets. Then I added some stickles to the nuggets and a sentiment that's coming out soon in a sentiment kit. And here is the finished card.